7 Common Myths About Money. 1. My credit score is everything. Thanks to the finance industry, the myth that a credit score is what you need to conduct business, purchase a house, or buy a car is firmly secured. But the credit score really only judges you based on your relationship with debt, less with money. In fact, once you have secured financial independence, that credit score won't matter anyway. 2. I'm too old to start creating wealth. Remember, whether you are 25 or 75 years old, there is always a future ahead of you. The average lifespan has increased significantly in recent years thanks to technological advancements in the medical industry. So you owe it to your future self to build financial resources that will outlast you no matter how long you will live. 3. The higher the price, the better the product. This myth is the reason why many multi-million-dollar brands thrive, while making less than stellar products. It's the notion that if I spend a lot of money on it, then it's got to be a quality buy. Paying more doesn't always mean you're getting a superior product. 4. Buying is better than renting. Renting has always had a negative stigma based on the idea that those who rent are throwing away money or paying someone else's mortgage instead of building their own wealth. Actually, owning a home also means less flexibility, and brings with it countless additional costs such as homeowners insurance, community fees, repairs, taxes, and more. 5. Your expenses will be lower after retirement. The idea that after you retire, your basic expenses will be much lower couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is that items such as utility bills, the cost of groceries, home or car insurance will all cost more as the years go by, not less. In addition, healthcare costs are also likely to increase. 6. You need a lot of money to invest. With technology today, it is now possible to invest small amounts of money repeatedly, that will compound into significant investments over time. Spare change apps, like Acorns, can allow you to round up your purchases and invest the change. So maybe it's time to give those coins a chance to grow. 7. More income equals more wealth. The fact is that when people start earning more, they often spend more, buying things they've always wanted or felt they needed. Going after those high-end purchases results in greater financial responsibilities, which means less saving. When it comes to wealth, it's not about what you earn but what you keep.